Thank you so much for all of you. Really, I was a little bit hesitant about the course. I thought that I'm gonna pay lots of money. Am I going to really achieve what I really want? But at the end of the course, I was like completely, oh my God, I feel like I'm a different person now. You changed my career and you changed my whole life as well, because I'm looking up to the three of you. I learned lots of things from each one of you, and I think I'm gonna recommend this course definitely to everyone I can meet that who wants to join the implants major. Thank you so much for Michelle. She's a role model, really, and Faiza as well. The whole team in the UK and Cairo. You've been amazing, and I've met new beautiful souls, and I can feel like I have new friends now, where like I can really rely on if I have any problem, and beautiful mentors. Thank you so much.
Amazing.